What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and I thank you guys for watching this video. Today I wanted to show you a Cash Juice review, and I want to show you different steps and functions of this program that you can use. And this is basically a social media platform that has lots of marketers that be on here each day to, conversate and also engage with each other. And when you engage with each other, it's just like Facebook, how Facebook is run, except for this is more like a Facebook for marketers. And I seen, I just love the engagement that this it's a lot of active users. I can say it's a lots of active users that's on here every day. And people, when you contact people on here, they very much will come to you and actually talk to you. So that's one brilliant thing about this. And you get to earn commissions just by being active on here. And you can see right here, as you can see, just being active, you can see that I have earned total commissions. And you see that, I got referrals. I had got a referral, and then these are my followers. And then you can see your league positioning, where you at in the league. And this is how many hits that you get on your link. This is how many post rotator credits I get. I'm gonna get deeper into that. This is my post rotator hits and stuff. So now how you get started with this is you have to create an ad. And it's kind of like posting. You posted your ad, and you could be able to have your ads placed into the rotator. So that way, once you go, just like any traffic exchange, when you go and get credits by viewing other people's opportunity, they in exchange will view yours. So you want to make sure that you build up your credits. Now, it's two different ways you could do it. You could do it in the feed, and you could also just post it, your credits. Now, the feed is basically like if you was to go right here and you post right here, these will be where all of your followers, they will also see your ads. Once you post right here, these could be like the people who you follow or follow you, they'll be seeing your ads rotate. Okay. And if I was to go to dashboard and then I click on post promote and I scroll down, I could add my ads that I have posted previously, and I can add them right here. And each time that people see my ad, it will spin a rotator credit. So that's why you want to be able to build up your rotator credits as high as you can, because that'll give you an amount of visibility with all the programs that you create in the back office. Right here is the Cash Juice plan. Now, this is a funnel that's already set up for you. Now, this could go in conjunction of traffic ad bar. I know I have videos that talks about traffic ad bar and how you could use Cash Juice to get traffic with traffic ad bar. So this is very, very useful as well. And this is the funnel that you can use. And this is a 3-step process that you could get traffic ad bar, and you will also get 3 different websites that you can connect with Cash Juice. And just think, when someone joins you with Cash Juice, they can also sign up on you with Traffic Swarm, Easy Hits for You, and also Traffic Splash. And they could just go down the complete funnel, and you could also get commissions as well as get commissions with Cash Juice. So that's just like a business in a box. And when you do marketing and affiliate, you want to have number of ways that you could get paid. So think how powerful that could be. And you could do all this just by engaging with people that's on this platform. You could check out your stats. You could see how many visitors came in, the last of how many days you select. You could see people coming through, how many followers you have. You could check out the league. And you could see, where your placement. And just like traffic ad bar, the higher you are, the more visible you become. Okay? So you also could check out messages as well with, people that goes by and send you messages. All right? You could check those out. This is where you could, you could promote where people could see your posts. And you could use this to traffic ad bar. You can see people, they can see your posts and they could come through and join you through that way too. This is your post rotator. I will show you what I was talking about. As you can see, you'll get a 5-second timer and you would just hit next. When you hit next, it'll go and see, you will see another person's opportunity. You can actually like, you can engage, you can hit, you can share their opportunity. As you can see right here, I would just click on save to show you what I mean. You can add comments as well too. And this is your sort of engagement. And when you do this on a regular basis, that's where you're going to start earning those commissions right in the back. You can also click on someone's profile. And you can add them as well too. You can add them and follow them. And you can follow their friends. And that's how you could go viral. Just by doing that. So this is just showing you how you can connect with others. This will also raise your positioning up in the league. This also will boost up your post rotator credits, so you can be able to use those to get more visibility to your platform. So this is what Cash Juice shows you. You could, like I said, you can use this on different traffic exchanges. If you have, just take your link, take your affiliate link, and just go ahead and promote this. You also could join groups too. I forgot to say that as well. You could join different groups, forums of people that have conversations in these platforms. You could join them and you can check them out. You also, they have Cash Juice blogs too. You could get a blog going as well. So these are different types of features that you can use to just boost to get traffic to your site. If you think that this video have done some good to you, make sure you leave your comments below. And if you like to get started with me in Cash Juice so you can be able to get that traffic flowing into your websites, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tips, tricks, and marketing strategies that I use. And hit that notification bell so you can be notified of more videos that I present to you. All right. So that's what I wanted to show you, a review of Cash Juice. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. All right. This is 00 with Astro. Peace.